I want to take a quick look with you at some of the ways that I use the gradebook. So this is what your screen looks like whenever you log in. I would go to my classes. I probably would have already looked at the videos and maybe looked at whether or not kids have answered the questions correctly. I'm actually referring back to some of the courses that I taught last year. So I'm going to pick this course and I can show all these videos so you can see over here on the right hand side, I can see that 20 of 23 kids have watched this video. And so that's very easy. It's an easy way for you to check on that. But again, I want to get back to the grade book. So I'm going to pick a specific video that I know I asked a question on. Okay, so this video right here, I had a question on. So when I click on that video, I've already graded it. So I've already gone in, and my grades are not necessarily pure accuracy or it had to be correct. I'm looking at it as, okay, did the kid get on the right idea? Maybe they were close, right? Like they understood it. I could tell they watched the video, but there's something missing. And it's kind of more of an indicator to me than it is an indicator to them because they're not getting this grade in the grade book. And then I can see my kids really easily, the ones that nailed it, they understand it, they've watched the video and they've been able to effectively answer my question, whether it's executing a math skill or just answering a question that maybe was presented to them previous in the video so that I know that they watched it. So I've got these grades here, but remember, I've pieced my videos together in a way that I don't have this one 25-minute video. I have about 4 or 5 videos that were all 4 to 5 minutes apiece that they were supposed to watch for this day. So if I want to see all those videos together that cover the similar content, I would go to the gradebook and then you would have to change your date, right? So this is your start date. So you would want to make sure that you kind of have it hovering around the correct dates of when your videos were due. And then I can see those videos and you can see this green line. It's kind of difficult to see, but if there was no question that I asked, that I posed on these 3 videos, but I can see that the kid watched that video. See, for this question, for this video, I posed a question, but this kid obviously executed that question perfectly. This one, they did it, but it wasn't quite right. And so I can see it with relative ease. But that's kind of how I use the gradebook. You can also see the little timer that indicates that that video was turned in late. So it's very easy for me to just kind of do a quick scan. Yes, they watched all the videos. They did it correctly. They just turned it in late. So that's kind of one of the ways that I use the gradebook. I may take that and turn it into a grade, maybe a participation grade, actually in eSchool, and then I may not. But the kids can't necessarily see this screen unless they have an Edpuzzle account and they're going in there. So that's not how I use it. I use it as feedback for myself so that I can see in a quick, easy glance in one screen kind of how they executed multiple videos.